Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.
This is another demonstration of the power and application of template-based cooking. I have used this Fuyang egg template to cook an egg with scallions earlier. For this dish, I'm going to expand the template to include shrimp. I'm going to make a coconut shrimp Fuyang egg dish. The most important modification to this template in cooking this dish is that I need to cook the shrimp in advance. Because the shrimp takes a little bit longer to cook than the egg, if I add the shrimp directly to the egg, it would not be cooked properly. I cook the shrimp with cornstarch and coconut flakes. Before I add the shrimp to the wok, I make sure that the wok is well seasoned using my spot seasoning method. You can take a look at this video if you are not familiar with this method. The method I use here to cook the shrimp is known as shallow frying. Using this method, I will lightly fry the coconut flakes as well as the shrimp. This will give both of them a nice crispy texture. The reason I cook this dish because my wife's friend and her husband is coming over for dinner. They both love coconut shrimp and they both enjoy eating the way how I cook eggs. So I decided I'm going to combine them to make a coconut shrimp Fuyang egg dish for them. I call this flavor chasing, which is an important part of my fast cooking system. This way I can create dishes to adjust to individual preferences. And now the shrimp is almost cooked. I switch to my wok spatula to stir fry the shrimp, so this way I will prevent the coconut flakes from being burned. Based on the appearance, I know the shrimp is perfectly cooked, and the total cook time is a little bit over 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm going to set the shrimp aside, then I'm going to cook the eggs, and then I will combine the shrimp with the eggs. I'm going to cook the egg in the wok without washing it. I'm going to add more oil to the wok because I'm going to cook eggs in the wok. Since this is going to be one of the main dishes, I make sure the oil is as hot as possible before I add the egg to the wok. You notice that the egg start to bubble. This is a good sign that the egg did not stick to the bottom of the wok. I push the side of the egg continuously toward the center of the wok. As you notice that this will open up the space and the uncooked egg will flow into this space. This is an excellent way to accelerate the cooking of the egg. And because of the curvature of the wok, you can only do this in a wok. As also you can tell, in order for this to work, you have to make sure that the wok is well seasoned and the egg does not stick to the bottom of the wok. This actually is a great method to cook a lot of egg in a very short time. By now the egg is almost 80% cooked. Next I'm going to add the shrimp to the egg. By this time I turn off the stove because I don't want to burn the eggs. In this case, a few quick mix, the dish is ready to be served. As I have mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is the first time for me to cook this dish. However, I know that it's going to turn out well because I know the Fuyang egg template and I also know the template to cook the coconut shrimp. In this case, I just combine the two templates together to form this new dish. Therefore, you are not only able to generate variations in a particular template, but you can also combine different templates together to create even more variations. Using this template-based approach in cooking, you probably will never cook the same dish twice. Now, I could have further modified this dish by adding some scallions. This is just an example of the application of this template. I'm certain once you're familiar with these templates, you can come up with many variations. So in here, I show you the foundation of template-based cooking to create variations and diversity.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.